May the 4th, also known as Star Wars Day. So today I'm going to be unboxing something really cool and very appropriate for today. How's that? Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. As you guys know, I like to skateboard, and it was time for me to upgrade my helmet, and I especially wanted something for the winter, and I think this is perfect. Looks like it's 3D, but it's all flat, but the way they've done the graphics, it makes it look very realistic. So shall we try it on? Oh, ah, oh shit. Ugh. Oh, ow!
This is not working.
Okay, so actually I looked online. You actually have to take the straps and you have to pull this apart and then put it over your head. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that's tight. How do I look? Oh, it's pretty big. Looks pretty cool, right? So here's my favorite part. You guys ready? Oh, all right, so this has been an unboxing of my new Star Wars helmet. Live long and prosper. No, that's the wrong. May the Force be with you.